Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. So guys, make sure to subscribe my channel before proceeding further and do join our Telegram group. The link is there in the description itself. Well, this question I'm getting the DMs from the students and even from the working professionals. Now what it is about that they want to learn, they want to upgrade the skill set, they want to make a transition from service based to product based company. Right now for this they want to improve their problem solving part, they want to explore the system design, HLD, LLD. Now if there could be one platform that can help them to achieve the same, to help them in their journey, because there are multiple resources right now, free resources to consume, to study from, but when you get stuck you need someone, you need a mentor, a guidance, so that you can figure out the things, right? So while I was exploring the platforms here, I got to know about one platform, that is Tutor, which is really helping the students and the working professionals to achieve the same. They'll be helping you to upgrade your skill set and also helping you to make a transition from service based to product based company. We'll be getting a chance to know more about this platform, so let's have a look. So guys, this is the platform Tutor that I was talking about, right? So land at your dream tech company looking to upskill or career reform. They are providing live interactive session. Instructors are themselves from top tech companies. There will be one-to-one mentorship and doubt solving, plus guaranteed placement support. And the good part is that the upcoming batch is going to start soon. So the upcoming batch is mastering in DSA and system design, which will be starting from 13th of May 2023. And this is also weekend specific. You can see here weekend only, and fee has been specified here with 10% of discount for initial registration, and this is valid till 5th of April, right? So what you can do, right, in case whenever we are enrolling into some course, before that we are having multiple doubts. So what you can do, you can book a free demo class with them according to the area of interest. If it is software development or the data science, you can provide all your info here and you can raise the query. Now what are the advantages of joining this platform Tutor? You will be having the live classes by instructors which are from top product based company. You will be having internship program to gain real life project experience, is structured curriculum, which is very important, and again this is designed by industry experts. There will be a one-to-one mentorship from industry experts. Placement assistance will be provided by a dedicated recruitment team. You will be getting a chance to connect with Tutor peer group to level up your knowledge, right? You can browse their programs now. So these are the programs for the software development part which they are offering. So as per your interest, right, you can just have a look on them. You can go for the further details. So here you can see this one is mastering DSA and system design for beginner to advanced. This one is mastering DSA and system design with full stack specialization. Now if you're someone who just want to brush up your system design part, right, you are looking to upskill in that particular area, then I believe this can be a good choice for you. LLD plus HLD included. Now here this one is for students, right? Because first what they do is, first for them the important part is to brush up their, to work on their problem solving skills, to work on the DSA part. So this is for students in the beginner. Mastering DSA and computer fundamentals, mastering data structure and algorithms, again for the students, right? And here this is mastering DSA and computer fundamentals, internship included, right? So these are I believe these are students specific programs that they're offering. So as per your interest, what exactly you are looking for, you can further have a look on the details of these programs, right? So here they have specified what you will be getting post completion of your program: lifetime content access, right? Generally what I see in most of the platforms, there's a specific time frame that they have specified, but here they are going to provide you lifetime access to all the session recordings of your program, including your assignments and project work. You will be getting the placement support, regular interaction with placement team, flexible pass. Even after your course completion, if you feel recordings are not interactive or something, they'll provide you live access to the live classes until your placement. Now here you can check their reviews as well from their alumni and learners. Now these are the companies that they are connected to, and they're helping the students and the working professionals to get into them. Any doubt or any confusion you are having regarding your career planning, you can just call on this number. between the given timing, and you'll be getting a free career counseling. So here again, you can see, you can connect with their alumni and you can ask them, right? Because they have attended the course, they have gone through it, so they'll be giving you a genuine feedback about the platform and about the course that they have attended. And so here comes the next part, that is your mentors, right? So they do have industry experts as mentor who are going to guide you with career planning and interview preparation. So a mentor is very, very important because they are the one who is going to help you through this journey of your preparation. So here you can see their mentors: Prem Kumar from Google, Santosh Kumar Mishra from Microsoft, right? So these are the mentors that gonna help you in the preparation in your journey, right? So here they have covered some frequently asked questions as well. So in case if you are having any question out of these, they has been answered, so you can just go through them. So yeah, I believe that's all from my side. So that was a quick overview of the platform, right? And I believe that this platform can help you to achieve the same what you are looking for. So in case you are having any query, you can just directly call on this number that has been provided here, or even you can book a free demo class with them, providing your information and just raise the query. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye bye.